Good morning. Spoiler alert, got the Christmas PJs out because we are going to open the Ginger Quilter box. So let's open this up. Hope everyone's having a good morning. Here we are, her beautiful pamphlet that she always puts in front. We have the Christmas Mega Box is finally here. It's been a long time coming as I curated, cut, and combined all these pieces into one box. I hope it feels like Christmas came early as you open it up. Go through all your goodies. So we are gonna go what's in the box. So right here, I have a Merry Winter beanie. So I'm gonna think that goes on my head. Look at that. Silk lined or silkish, I don't know, some kind of material that's super soft. Little hat. Okay, let's put that on. Well, my hair, we're gonna take it down. Here we go. Here we are. Okay, we're gonna leave that on for a little bit. Make my hair all throw out. Ready? All right, next thing we're going to do, ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at this, a clapper. It has a wool handle and it's bigger, it's flatter. Look at that. It's wider. Ooh, this is nice. It's got weight to it. So let's talk about this. So the Merry Winter beanie is actually one of the first items I picked out for the box. The cheerful design and snug fit makes it perfect for those chilly winter days. Plus, it's our mission as quilters to keep the whole world warm and cozy, and it starts with you. Then this is a wood-topped tailor's clapper. Pressing seams has never been so satisfying. After you press a seam, set the tailor's clap on top of it while it cools. It gives you the sharp, crisp seams we all want in our quilts. The wool top is also perfect when pressing seams open. And I've showed you that. I've showed you doing that. So that's cool. It's a dual purpose. All right. Then we have, before I go, oh, here it is. The Merry and Bright Sparkly Hair Barrettes. There are here purely for fun and a little sparkle. Look at that. Yay. All right, then we have a, oh, here it is, a snow globe mini pillow kit. This fun project from Simply Eileen is a quick one. And we will have, quick one, and we'll have you feeling festive in no time. It's perfect when you want a simple, satisfying project that's low on time but high on cuteness. Okay, I love the freedom of shapes that you get with applique. Anything goes. All right, so let's see what we've got here. Oh, there's my teeth over there. Okay, so we have a pom-pom, a little piece of ribbon, and then we have all these little teeny tiny little shapes of fabric. Oh, look at this Christmas fabric. And we have that. And we have this. That's cute. And then, oh, we have, oh, my favorite stuff, Seam to Seam. Right here. Oh, this is super cute. I understand the hat now. Scrappy Snow Globe mini pillow pattern. Look at that. Those would be cute. Look at that. That's adorable. And can't show you the pattern. It's not my pattern. But they give you pictures of everything. And they give you also your templates. That is super sweet. Well, here we go. Gonna work on that. So I'm gonna put all this stuff in here because the last thing I wanna do is lose any of this. I don't know if I showed you that, but it's a tone-on-tone with snowflakes. And put all our little pieces in here. Okay, so there's a little mini project that we can work on. And then we have our pattern. Oh. Lela Boutique, number 200, nice list. All right, so this calls for 1 layer cake or 32 10 by 10 inch pieces. So that's what I'm gonna think this is. She actually cut out layer cake pieces for us. And then what else do we have? 4 fat quarters. So those are the 4 fat quarters. And then our our background fabric, which is right here. So far, let me show you again. We have this, the packages. And then I'm gonna come here and we are going to show these off. Okay, I'm gonna walk over here because I want to show it off closer. And we have 2 of those. So there's 2 of each of these. Look at the Santas. The Santas are so cute. I like this like vintagey look. We have trees, shirts. Oh, what do we have here? Okay, we have 1 of those. Now we're going to singles. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just... Oh, look at these stockings, old-fashioned stockings. More Santos. And that tone-on-tone that I was talking about before on the little pillow. So these are all so cute. So we are going to have to work on this together. That is very cute. So we have that. Let's see if she talks about the fabric. The fabric. Here we go. Let's see. Hello. It's called Cozy Wonderland Fabric. I like that these fabric prints are a good mix of winter whimsy and traditional Christmas. Stephanie Silwinski is a very talented artist, and my favorite motifs are the Santa Claus faces and the stockings. That's what I said. It was like really vintagey. I can't wait to turn this into a fabulous, snuggly Christmas quilt. So that's what we have. We have this in the Ginger Quilter block. I really love this. All beautiful stuff. I have my clapper that Gina gave me, but I like this because it's wide. So this is good for like patchwork. So this is great. Well, I'm happy with this purchase. I did purchase this, and I purchased it from the Ginger Quilter. She actually may have a couple more boxes left at her store. So go check her out. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you all, and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye. Oh, tell me what you think of this box. That's important.